He'll just get up in there and hide.
Get the turtle. Where's the turtle? Look. You got turtle?
Easy, easy.
Oh, yay!
Easy.
Get her put him up, she's gonna kill him.
No.
They'll make more.
Emma, easy, honey. Easy, honey. Okay. Okay.
You putting it back? You found your cookie? Mmm. Gotta find a little icing left?
Yeah, that's what she's doing, turning it to find the icing.
Yep.
Throw it down, don't need it. Throw it down, we'll sweep it up. Good girl.
Really expect me to believe that? Well, you should.
Say hi.